Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and power. Check the serial number and keep the receipt in case of defects. Once plugged in, boot the machine and follow on screen prompts to select language and region. This ensures correct locale and keyboard mappings. Next, connect to a secure Wi-Fi network to download updates and continue setup. Make sure to opt out of public networks and use a router password. This protects initial downloads and account sign in traffic. You should now set up your user account deliberately. Sign in with your main account to sync preferences, or create a local account if you prefer less cloud integration. Once signed in, enable two-factor authentication and configure a PIN or face/fingerprint unlock to balance speed and security. After that, examine privacy and telemetry toggles. Disable unnecessary data sharing and limit location or camera access for apps. These steps reduce background telemetry and keep your personal data safer from the start. Finish by updating the operating system and device drivers so performance and security are current. Reboot if prompted to complete installs. Then add essentials: a reputable antivirus, your preferred browser, password manager, and cloud backup app to protect files. Configure automatic updates and a system restore point. This gives you a rollback if an issue arises. If something goes wrong, one key tip: boot into safe mode to uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.